A prophetically catastrophic story set in the uttermost compasses of our planet, in an obvious desert scene where mankind is broken, and nearly everybody is frenzied battling for the necessities of life. Inside this world exist two revolutionaries on the run who could very well have the option to reestablish request. There's Max, a man of activity and a man of not many words, who looks for true serenity following the deficiency of his better half and kid in the fallout of the mayhem. Furthermore, Furiosa, a lady of activity and a lady who accepts her way to endurance might be accomplished in the event that she can make it across the desert back to her young life country.
Prophetically.